So the art inspiration is by Art Mix on Instagram, and I love the color and I love the interesting designs in the hair and the movement in the hair. For our Zentangle portrait, I'm going to start with a pencil and an eraser, and I'm going to sketch very lightly the face. So first I'm going to make a semicircle on one side of my paper, add a neck underneath and some shoulders. Then I'm going to add the eye in the very center of my semicircle. I'm going to sketch a very simple nose and then add some lips. You could have your eye open or closed, it's up to you. And don't forget the eyebrows and the ears, that always helps a portrait not look so funky. Then I'm going to add my hairline, and this is where all of my lines in the hair will come from. So I'm starting on this line and then moving in a flowy motion outwards. Now that the flowy hair has been placed, I can erase the very top of my head and then any of the hairline I don't want to show with my eraser. Then I'm going to carefully trace over the features of the face, the cheek, the ear, and the neck and the shirt with a Sharpie marker. I then thought the shirt was a little plain, so I added some stripes on the shirt. Now for the Zentangle portion. I'm going to section out my flowy hair with different patterns. So the first pattern is going to be this purple color, and it's these very simple doodly patterns, and I chose a swirl, and I'm going to repeat this pattern until it fills this entire section. And then I'm going to repeat this with the next color. I tried to use variations in patterns, so not the same pattern over and over again, but all kinds of different patterns. Keep the patterns very simple and repetitive, something that you could draw over and over again and not get tired of. And once you've filled up all your sections, your artwork is complete. Can't wait to see what you will make.